After performing morning prayer, I thought today will be a sunshine day. Today was also a sunshine day, but unfortunately, in the middle of this day, when we was performing Juma prayer in our local mosque, then started a thunderstorm rain. That was very big problem for us. In morning, many of farmers and villagers started their work very nicely, very properly on field. My dear loving brothers and sisters, I am going to explain what happened that day. Okay, my dear loving brothers and sisters, many of farmers and many of villagers sprayed their paddy and straw on road, field, as well as their home yard. When it was falling rain, when it was falling water, then it was very big trouble for us. We sprayed much straw on this road, but unfortunately that was wet. Okay, my dear loving brothers and sisters, you can see behind me on this land there is much water. 2 or 2.5 hours ago there was no water, but there is water has gathered. Okay, my dear loving brothers and sisters, I am showing you all of things very properly, so we should